How's it going, everyone? Hey, I'm Sean, the scale model car guy. I just thought I'd come to you and show, everybody's doing their little videos, what they got for Christmas and stuff like that. And I got some shout outs and everything. I just thought I'd check in with y'all. I haven't been doing this for a while, I got scared when all that COPPA crap come out and everything. I deleted all my videos. I think I had like dang near close to 50 videos on here. Well, I'm back now, and I'm starting to reload some of my videos. Some of them I don't have no more. When I deleted them, that was it. So I have to remake a bunch of them. But I've had some new ones too that I put on there, some newer builds. But slowly over the next few weeks, I'll get them all on there. My son and his wife, my youngest boy, he's in the army. They've been in from Colorado. That's where they're stationed. They've been in for the Christmas break, and so I just ain't been posting anything because I haven't had time. But I wanted to come and show you, well, everything that I've gotten for Christmas, and kind of would like to see what all y'all got too. And I've had a couple of guys give me shout outs, and I kind of like to return the favor. Gavin Booth from England, thank you, brother, for the shout out. And here's your shout out. I enjoy watching your stuff. Yeah, I don't do miniatures or military or stuff like that, but who's to say I won't sometime in the future? I do love to watch everybody build. I love models in general, and I love watching everybody because they're talented. There's a lot of talented people out there. Uh, right now, like I said, I mainly stick to cars and trucks, and stuff. But I have an older son, and he's into the war gaming. The bolt action, and I can't think that war game. He's into, but he also does military models. So I got a whole closet over here full of military models. I'm always buying stuff. I just hadn't got that to that point where I wanted to start building it yet. But I still like to watch other people's stuff and the miniatures and the figures. They all do a good job. And then too, I got another shout out to Steven over at Small Adventures. He's out of Tennessee. I've been watching his stuff, and we got to talking and everything. And I live here in Boonville, Arkansas, and it's about an hour drive from Fort Smith, and I work in Fort Smith. Well, we got to talking. Well, his oldest child lives in Fort Smith. Small world. I thought that was pretty cool. I thought I'd share that. And then I wanted to tell old Mad Dog Merv, hey, here's my squat shirt, buddy. I commented on his Sasquatch shirt he had. He had a Christmas squat shirt on. This is one of my squat shirts. I've got a lot of them because a lot of y'all might not know, but that's what I do. Me and the buddies at work, we've been doing this for about 10 years. We got a Bigfoot group that we go twice a year, and sometimes during we'll go scout during the week, and stuff here and there. And I've got a lot of film footage and stuff. And matter of fact, back just a couple of weeks ago, we just had our we call it Squatch Camp. Like I said, we go twice a year, and I just got back from that not too long ago, a couple of weeks ago. And one of these days, I'll start a YouTube channel, and we call ourselves ASFRO, Arkansas Sasquatch Field Research Organization. Yeah, we just play around with it. It's nothing serious, but we've done it for 10 years now, and it's something fun to do. But that's beside the point. I'm a model builder, as you can see. Yeah, I'll quit talking, and I'll show you what I got for Christmas. Well, my oldest boy, he's a model man, so he got me two of these. It's the Revell of Germany Land Rover Defender Series 3 kits. He got me 2 of them, which is awesome. I love Land Rovers. And I will do an unboxing on them sometime within the next week or two. I'll get an unboxing. My wife had bought me this one. I've been wanting this. It's one on my neglected to get for a couple of years. Well, a few years. It's been out for a while. And if you've seen my other video, I built the, I think it was the Tamiya. Oh, it was the Morris Mini Cooper. I built it, and it's on my channel there. I opened the doors and the trunk and everything. I made the gas tanks, the little gas tanks for it because it was a Cooper S. Like I said, it's on there. Y'all can go see it. But this is one I've been needing. I got dang near all the, well, I do got all the Tamiya Mini Coopers. I got the 2 of the 12 scale, and I got every one of the Mini Coopers, and the Austin Cooper and the Morris Coopers, you know, and the rally and the racing version. I got those. And then also got the Revella Germany Mini Cooper built up there. And this was the one I was needing, the Revella Germany, the rally car. And well, I got that thanks to my wife. And I'll probably do an unboxing on that too sometime. And then here a while back, I was at an antique shop, I think it was in Northwest Arkansas. And to my military guys, I picked this up right here. The box is shot. You can see it's so taped up. It's falling apart. But let's see, what is it? It is a B-29 Super Fortress. It's by Airfix, and I think that the tag on it when I bought it said it was from 1967. And I've opened it up. It's been slightly started, but never painted or nothing like that. And you know, for a 172 scale kit, it's got a pretty good wingspan on it. So evidently, the plane in real life was pretty good size. Trying to think of anything else that I have done, and no, I think don't think I've started anything. Like I said, I've had my family in this week, so my kids, so I haven't had time to have any build time or computer time. But I just wanted to come to y'all with the shout outs and then show everybody what I got for Christmas. And I hope everybody had a Merry Christmas. And I hope that everybody has a Happy New Year. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye.